up guys, welcome back to the Phono Guy, and in this video I am going to do a speed test comparison between the Oppo F9 and Huawei Nova 3i, and both these devices are recently released. And let me tell you a few of the specifications for both of these devices. The Oppo F9 is having a 4GB of RAM with Helio P60 processor, and the Nova 3i is having 4GB of RAM with Kirin 710 processor. So I have shown you that there is no app running in the background, and both these devices are connected to the same internet connection. Both these devices have same set of applications, which are almost 16 applications, and I will be running these applications simultaneously in the first round, and in the next round we will be having a look at the RAM management. So let's start, and you can see phone application open at the same time, and calendar application was quicker on Nova 3i, camera application, and it was again quicker on Nova 3i. So it is better optimized. It is straight away the feeling is that Nova 3i is better optimized, and Oppo F9 is actually taking a bit more time to open these applications. So let's move to the photos application. It was just similar, and the Facebook application, and this time it is quicker on Oppo F9. Next up we have Chrome, and we have loaded this application. So let's open Wikipedia, and it is almost similar again on both these phones. So let's move to the next application, which is Photoshop, and it was quicker on Oppo F9. So next up we have this color switch application. So this is a game, and it is again quicker on Nova 3i. So right now we are very close. Actually we are head to head in both these devices. So next up we have Lapsit. This is going to be very interesting. Actually we are retrieving a clip of 10 seconds, which is the same clip on both these devices. So let's see which device retrieves it at a faster rate. So let me just start the process, and both the devices are actually very close to each other, and actually it is a bit faster on Oppo F9. So again doing the same process to have a better look, and this time it is quicker on Nova 3i. So it is very close in both these devices. We have a very heavy game now, which is Asphalt 9, and let's see which device opens it at a faster rate. This is going to be very interesting, and this is going to be very tough. But actually this game is very heavy, and let's see which device will open it faster. And I am very interested to see that which device is gonna win this round, because this is the peak of the performance you can get, and you can see it is quicker on Nova 3i, and it is still taking a lot of time on Oppo F9. So let's see how much more time does the Oppo F9 takes to load this application. So you can see right now it is loaded on Oppo F9, and it is taking almost 6 to 8 seconds more than the Nova 3i. So let's move to the next application, which is a shopping application, and let me just do it again on this device, and let's see which device opens it at a faster rate. And again it is quicker on Nova 3i. You can clearly see F9 is taking a lot of time. And next up we have another gaming application. So this is Need for Speed, and let's see which device is going to open it at a faster rate. And this is going to be very interesting. Again this is a heavier game, and let's see which device opens it at a faster rate. And Asphalt 9 was won by Nova 3i, and this is going to be interesting. I am very much interested in to see that which device wins this round, and I think this time Oppo F9 is taking the lead. Let's see. Yes, Oppo F9 is actually taking the lead, and it has won this round, and it has opened this application at a faster rate. So that's great to see that F9 is winning on Need for Speed, while it was failing on Asphalt 9, taking too much time. But this round is won by Oppo F9. And final application, which is Spin Out, and let's see which device wins, and Oppo F9 is the winner. So in the gaming section, Oppo F9 is performing well, except for the Asphalt 9. So this was the first round, and it was almost a tie. Nova 3i was actually the winner in the first round, with better performing and opening the applications at a quicker rate. Actually Asphalt 9 was very great. So let's check out the RAM management on both these devices now, if all these applications are present in the background or not. Right now these applications which are inbuilt are present in the background. So let's keep moving, and we have the photos application in background. Facebook is reloading on Nova 3i, that's interesting to see. And the Chrome application present in the background in both these devices. Photoshop present in the background. And next up we have the Temple Run 2. I think it is reloading again on both these devices. So games actually reload again on the mid-range devices. I have seen it a lot of times, so same is the case with both these devices, so that's not a big problem. So next up we have this color switch. You can see again this color switch is reloading again. So let's move to the next application, which is Lapsit, and Lapsit is reloading again on Oppo F9 while it was present on Nova 3i. And we have a very heavy game, which is Asphalt 9, and both these devices are reloading this game again. So that's very interesting to see. No phone can keep this game running in the background with 4 GB of RAM. So you can see the standards are changing now. The 4 GB of RAM is not becoming enough for these devices to keep applications running in the background. In the past years, 4 GB of RAM was enough and devices were able to keep these applications running in the background, and this time Oppo F9 has come faster. That is very interesting to see that Nova 3i has lost this time with Asphalt 9 and Oppo F9 has won. That is very interesting to see actually. So I cannot explain how this happened, but this is just a reality in front of your eyes. So you can see clearly that Oppo F9 in the RAM management round has won on Asphalt 9. And again this application is also reloading again. And moving to the Need for Speed, so let's see which device opens it at a faster rate. I have already told you the games will be reloading again. So it was very interesting to see that Oppo F9 was able to win on Asphalt 9 in the RAM management round. So let's see what happens on Need for Speed, or which device will win it. I am very much interested to see. Again Oppo F9 you can see is loading it at a faster rate. So Oppo F9 is not losing the Need for Speed, it is opening it at a faster rate, at a better rate than the Nova 3i. So that is very interesting to see. So let's move next up we have the pinout. So let me just open it. It is present in the background in Nova 3i while Oppo F9 is reloading it again. So that's it guys, this was the complete comparison speed test between both these devices, and all these applications were doing great in the first round. They were opening at a faster rate, except which we have the Asphalt 9 taking too much time on both these devices. One round was won by the Nova 3i for Asphalt 9, and the next round was won by Oppo F9. So this is all about the speed test, and I can say Nova 3i is a better performer. So that's it guys, this was the speed test comparison between both these devices, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did then give this video a thumbs up, and up till next video, bye bye and peace.